Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to close your Coinbase account. If you don't have a Coinbase account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $10 in free Bitcoin when you buy or sell $100 or more in crypto. However, if you already have a Coinbase account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, you will see an option for Manage Your Profile. Click on Manage Your Profile. At the bottom part of this page, you will see a Close Account button. Click on the Close Account button. That's how you close your Coinbase account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.